If tanθ equals sinhθ, prove that theta equals natural logarithm of secθ plus tanθ. We start from the given condition. Recall the definitions. Using the Euler formulas. The right-hand side becomes
Cancel the common factor 2i.
divide both sides by cos theta. Add e power negative theta to both sides and factor e power theta. Multiply by e power theta. Treat this as a quadratic in e power theta. Solve for e power theta using the quadratic formula. Because e power theta is greater than 0, we take the positive root. Recall the trigonometric identity. Taking natural logarithms of both sides gives the desired relation. We've taken a quirky tan equals sinh premise, untangled the exponentials, and landed on the neat identity. Theta equals natural logarithm of secθ plus tanθ. If you enjoyed seeing trigonometry and hyperbolic functions shake hands, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any twists you'd like us to explore next.
Stay curious, keep calculating, and see you in the next proof.